Hey guys, it's Ash here, and I am coming to basically give you guys a show of this hair that I got in. Do you see the lusciousness of these curls? When I tell you these curls are popping, I don't think that does it justice. Anywho, closure wig. So I did not bleach the knots. The knots came bleached, but anyway, y'all, get into these curls. This is Her Hair Company's Brazilian Curly. Yes. So I have the lengths 16, 18, 20. I also have a 14-inch closure, which I wish I would have gotten in 16 inches, but hey. I also got this wig customized in made by Rich Tresses, so you can go to shoprichtresses.com and she makes customized wigs. Her wig construction is bomb. I will insert pictures of how I received the hair in the wig and all of that stuff. So I've had this wig constructed for almost about a year, and I wore it back in June of 2018, but I didn't take any pictures or anything like that. But I wanted to come and show you guys the realness of this freaking damn hair. Like, this hair is so freaking pretty. Like, look at this. And the thing is, I will show you two different differences. So the first one is when you just, co-wash the hair or wash the hair and let it dry, sitting on a wig head or something. It gives you a totally different look than what I have now. So the look I have now is actually a dim and brush look, and I also plopped the hair. So if you don't know what plopping is, that's basically where you don't let the hair dry dangling on a wig head. I wish I had a wig head that I could show you. So that's what I did, and it gave me a completely different look, and I am loving this look. It dried luscious, it dried soft, it dried layered. Everything just blends in. Like, it looks so natural. Like, it's kind of puffy and frizzy, but it has the ringlets, and it's just the perfect luster. The wig fits perfectly. So the wig color, so basically I do have a cap underneath here that's a little bit off, so the color is off, as you can see. So I do need to go in and try to get that color closer to my wig or to my scalp closer to my scalp color. I also need to go in and tweeze these parts. So the wig, she did bleach the knots on the wig, but it still doesn't look as natural as I prefer it. Y'all know I really don't even care for closure too much. I don't even have on no makeup. I had to come show y'all the realness of this hair. So my hair is braided into two braids. It doesn't really show that much, but I can kind of see it because I know the braids are there. But yeah, I absolutely loving this hair. Look at it. Right? I don't want to run my fingers through it, but this type of curly hair, you can literally run your fingers through it. And then she has bundle deals. So I think I paid $230 for the 3 bundles and a closure. With this type of quality, like, take my money, swipe my card, swipe my card. I just came to show y'all that this wig does have an adjustable strap. Or not adjustable strap. It does have an elastic band attached to it. What is that? Child, anyway, ignore that. But it does have an adjustable strap. It does have, not an adjustable strap, child, an elastic band. And yeah, so if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. This is just showing, I'm just trying to show off. I'm just showing y'all this hair. This is not even a useful video. Okay, just bragging. Yeah, so I keep looking in the viewfinder, so I'm about to go. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.